Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Gemini, your secure and user-friendly crypto wallet and trading platform. Today, I'll guide you through the essential features of Gemini, helping you get the most out of your cryptocurrency journey. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's dive into Gemini. The homepage is clean and intuitive, offering quick access to create an account or sign in. To begin, simply click on Get Started, where you can register using your email address and set up a strong password. Once your account is verified, the dashboard welcomes you with an overview of your portfolio, market trends, and quick navigation tools. Gemini provides an easy-to-use interface for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. On the Buy-Sell tab, you can choose from a variety of digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. You can link your bank account or credit card for seamless transactions. For those focused on security, Gemini excels with its insured wallets and advanced encryption to protect your funds. The platform also offers a feature-rich mobile app, letting you trade and manage assets on the go. Explore Gemini Earn, where you can grow your crypto holdings by earning interest on select assets. Simply choose the crypto you want to lend, and Gemini handles the rest, ensuring transparent rates and secure processes. Don't miss the active trading tools like the Gemini Active Trader platform for those who want in-depth analytics and advanced order types. Ready to get started? Use the sign-up link in the description to join Gemini and claim your bonus for new users. This is your first step to a secure and rewarding crypto journey. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.